as for my dislikes, I don't like to eat mushrooms. I love mushrooms and I think they're really cool, and fungi in general are really cool, and they do amazing things like turn ants into zombies in order to spread their spores, and that's really cool. And even like the largest organism is the honey fungus, which is like, how big again? Like 3 square miles, maybe more. Like 8 square kilometers? Yeah, they're really cool, but I don't like the texture of them, eating them. I prefer to observe them instead of eat them. And also, I know they're part of nature and I should love all of nature's creations, but grasshoppers are scary. Grasshoppers are scary. Have you seen their scary square faces and how they can leap up to your face from the ground using their scary back legs? Yeah. Grasshoppers are frightening. And I try to enjoy, or try to, give love to all my creepy crawlies, because they're spooky. I like spooky. Spiders, I can chill with spiders. I like spiders, as long as they're not crawling on me. But grasshoppers, scary. Scary. Alright. Now here's why I wanted to mention cats, because I have 2 cats myself. Their names are Clover and Snail, and they're kind of both old men. Old man cats. They're my sweet boys, and you'll probably hear Clover in the background at some point. If not today, then another stream, because he likes to complain and make himself known. But Snail is very quiet, so you probably won't hear him. But Clover is 21 years old. He is extremely old man. That's the equivalent of about 100 human years. So just think about a 100-year-old grandpa when you think about him, when you hear him, and you'll understand. You'll understand why I spoil him and let him complain and indulge in his request to come inside and outside my bedroom, and I have to help him get on the bed and stuff. I try to spoil him as much as I can. And I have Snail as well. Snail I only recently adopted, but he is just the sweetest cat ever, and I love black cats. He's 10 years old, so he's about middle-aged, and he's a sweet lap cat. He just loves to sit in my lap all day, and that's all I really want. I'm trying to convince him to come sit on my lap when I stream, but I don't know if he will. We'll see, we'll see. Like my goals and future streams. So, I haven't completed my final evolution yet. I'm missing some skills that I wish to learn in my tenure at Hololive. I want to learn Japanese. I haven't been speaking Japanese because I cannot. I'm sorry. But I want to learn, and I've been studying a little bit. But I would like to learn because I really want to talk to my senpais and collab with them. Yes, so I better study hard. You better hold me accountable. If I'm not studying, you better bonk me just like how I bonked you. I also want to learn to sing and create an original song. Like I said, I'm a bit musically impaired. I'm not a good singer, which I do have a song for you today. But I'm not good, so don't get your hopes up. But I would love to maybe take voice lessons and learn, because it would be so cool and such a great opportunity to create an original song. I think I could make something kind of don't know what it would be. Maybe something relaxing, like something you could just listen to chill out. I want to do offline collabs with my gen mates. I'm hoping it might be more possible now that we have more EN members. Because I know, you know, we tend to be kind of spread out. Unlike a lot of our Japanese senpais who can do offline collabs more easily. So I hope that would be possible because I think it would be so much fun. Oh, Gura! Gura senpai, you can't say that. You're gonna make my heart explode. I also want to learn to speedrun games. I think that would be fun for streams. Like you guys just watch me play a game over and 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 over. Just like over and over. That wouldn't be boring at all. It would be very fun. So maybe Minecraft, and maybe Mario Odyssey, and maybe some others. Like, I think it'd be fun to do like, GameCube games, although permissions might be hard for that one. Unless they got re-released. But we'll see. I'll see what I can do. Don't be afraid to dream big. You got one life, so you better go make the most of it. Okay? No slacking, okay? You better go grab your dreams by the horns and I don't know where this is going. Achieve them! Do your best, I believe in you. You can do it. Yes. Oh, it looks like that was the end of our book. Okay, we did it. We read a whole book. Congratulations. You finished a book. Now we don't need this anymore. Get that out of here. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay. Now, I think there's only one more thing to do. I think it's about time I sing a song for you. Like I said, I'm not good at singing, but I spent a while practicing, so I'll do my best for you guys. So give me a minute to go switch to my singing room, and then I will give it my all for you. Okay? Okay. Let's go.開始したかきくけこんなにもさしすすソフトクリームコンサーノプでOh, the lights went out. My microphone too? Just a second. Let me see what happened. This is the Ian curse. Yabe. So, you don't need me anymore, huh? Don't get me wrong. I'm not mad. I could never be mad at you. I love humans with my entire heart, after all. But it just doesn't feel right. You should be with me. You belong with me. And I'm not going anywhere until I win you back. I'll be here, streaming, changing your heart day by day. Until you finally decide to return to your origins. But don't worry. I'll take good care of you.